Hey there, fellow marketers and business owners. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Google Ads and exploring the different types available to help you find the perfect fit for your brand. First up, we have search ads. These are the classic ads that appear at the top of your screen when you conduct a Google search. They're pay-per-click, meaning you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. Next, we have display ads. These are image or video ads that can appear on millions of websites across the web. You can choose between cost per thousand CPM or pay-per-click PPC options to suit your budget and goals. Moving on, we have shopping ads. These are product ads that appear when someone searches for items similar to yours. You can set them up in just a few minutes and pay only when someone clicks on your ad. Lastly, we have YouTube and Gmail ads. With YouTube ads, you can create video or image ads that play before or during a YouTube video. Gmail ads allow you to create visually engaging ads that pop up in users' inboxes when they open their Gmail account. You can select CPM or PPC options for these ad types as well. In conclusion, there's a variety of Google ads available to suit your needs and budget. Whether you choose search, display, shopping, YouTube, or Gmail ads, or all of them, you're sure to find an ad type that works for your brand and helps you connect with potential customers successfully. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more marketing tips and insights. Until next time.